In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your Android phone and push your notifications over to your Windows PC using the Your Phone app, so let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another tech tip style video. Today, like I said, we're going to take your Android phone and we're going to link it with a Microsoft account to your Windows PC. This allows you to push over your text messages and also be able to sync over your photographs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and download the app and get started. So there's a few ways that you can go in and get the two devices on the same Microsoft account so you can link the Your Phone. First one is to go into the Your Phone, type in a phone number. Microsoft will send you a link, you download the link and you connect it that way. However, in my case, when I would do that option, it would download the Microsoft Launcher and I'd have to go in and manually download the Your Phone companion app anyway. So this method that I'm going to show you in this particular video streamlines all that and works way better. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're signed in to a Microsoft account on the computer by going into the Start menu, typing in account, and then left click on Manage Your Account. Right here in the top left area, you're gonna see YouTube Demo, Local Account Administrator. So you can see that this particular computer is on a local account. It is not signed in with a Microsoft account. However, if you do see that and you wanna sign in with a Microsoft account, you can click this little link right here and then sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Or if I go over here to emails and accounts, I do have a Microsoft account linked to the computer even though I'm using a local profile. So you can see it's right here. If you don't have this option, and you don't see your email, it's going to say it right above here. It'll say add a Microsoft account. You can click on that, again, use your credentials and add it that way. Otherwise, you can go over here and you can click on change my Microsoft account email if you want to change your particular email to match the one they're going to be using on your phone. So that's just a quick method. You'll want to go in there, make sure that you're signed in on here. Now we're going to go over to the phone and sign in with the phone and download the app and show you that process, and then we'll come back to the computer to finish everything up. All right, again, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to download the Your Phone companion app. So we're going to go into the Play Store, and then right at the top you can just begin to search Your Phone, and it'll come right there at the top if you've recently searched it. If not, just it's the Your Phone companion app linked to Windows. We're going to left click on that or click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and click install. Should be a pretty quick download. It's only about 22, maybe 23 megs, and then it's going to install. And then once it has installed, we're going to go ahead and click open. Once you've opened up the app, you're going to go to the bottom where it says sign in with Microsoft. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Again, you're going to be wanting using the same ones that you used for when we signed in on over there on the computer. So we're going to sign in. Once you've got those credentials in, go ahead and click on sign in, and then it's going to say next up, app permissions. We need a few permissions to help your phone and PC work together. Go ahead and click on continue. This is going to ask where it's going to allow permissions to access certain things on your phone. So allow your phone companion to access photos, media, files on your device. Go ahead and click allow. This is so you can go through and sync your digital media files such as your photos, your videos, etc. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click allow. Allow your phone companion to send and view SMS messages. This is so you can use your phone or your computer to send and receive text messages. Allow. Allow your phone companion to make and manage phone calls. They do have the option. It's, I think, a pretty limited option, but you can use your computer to make those phone calls. So if you want that ability, go ahead and click allow on this one. And then allow your phone companion to access your contacts. If you want to be able to create new messages or new phone calls, it needs to be able to access the current people in your phone. So you're going to want to click allow on that one as well. Now it says, let's stay connected by letting the companion app refresh in the background. Your text and photos will stay up to date. This may impact your battery life preferences. So now, because this app does run in the background, your battery life might be impacted, which is what it's saying here. As soon as you go ahead and click on continue, if you are on one of the newer operating systems for Android, you will receive this message saying stop optimizing battery usage. Because this particular OS has a built-in battery meter or battery restriction, it's going to ask if you want to allow this app to go unrestricted, or if you want to be able to restrict it, because if you restrict it, it'll shut it down after a certain amount of time, which will cause sync errors on the computer, and you may have to just come in and start the application again. So for this particular demonstration, I don't really mind. I'm going to go ahead and click allow, just because if I have it at home and I'm synced, it's probably going to be plugged in, or it's going to be plugged in quite frequently, keeping the battery life up as well. So now that we've got it set up on the phone, it says set up your phone app on your PC. You'll need to sign into your PC and set up on your phone app. We'll show you how. So it's going to go ahead and click on show me how. It's going to say on your PC, go to settings, accounts, sign in with your Microsoft account, which is what we did previously. So you can go ahead and just skip on that. And then it's going to say download and launch your phone app. If you don't have it automatically on Windows, it comes pre-installed, but if you've uninstalled it, you will need to go into the Microsoft Store to reinstall it, which is what it's saying right here. So again, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. So now that it's installed, it says check your PC. We're checking one more thing on your PC before we ask for a final permission. Once you open up the application on the computer, your phone is going to give you another prompt saying, do you want to allow this connection? So I'm going to go into the computer and I'm going to do we're going to launch the Your Phone app. It's going to go ahead and load, and it's going to say check your phone, connect and access data on your phone. Please check your phone or notification and tap allow. So now you can see right here on the screen, it's asking connecting to your PC, waiting for permission. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that, and then we're gonna go ahead and click allow. And once you've done that, you're gonna get you're all set. Check your phone app on your PC to see your most recent photos and texts, all that good stuff. Go ahead and click on done. And then if you wanna help them improve, you can go ahead and click allow. I'm just gonna go ahead and click cancel for today's demonstration. Now, you're gonna notice at the top here, you've got a little notification saying that you've connected to your PC, and it will have your PC name listed right there. You can now close this app, go back to your desktop, and then go on your computer here. If you want to go in, you can see if you go to photo and then click on refresh. It may take some time just depending on how many photos that you have on the phone, but as you can see, it's going to go through and sync all those photos up, as well as your messages. If you go into your messages, you can reply to your text messages here. You can click on see text, and it's going to go through refresh, and then it's going to list all of your text messages that you currently have open right here, and then you can go in and create a new message right up there. So that's just a quick rundown of how to take your Android phone and connect it to your Microsoft account, as well as connect it to your computer and use the Your Phone app. And with that, that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. If you have used the Your Phone app, how do you like it? How did it work for you? I'd love to hear from you. Leave your answers in the comment section below the video. If you liked this video and found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of stuff from tech news and unboxings to how-tos and tutorials. I'll link a couple over on the right-hand side of the screen for you. Subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.